On today's podcast, we'll be talking about spill protocols in factories and warehouses. So stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Encountering spills in the workplace is common, ranging from leaks and condensation to accidental staff accidents. The prompt and proper response to these spill-related situations is crucial for ensuring safety and minimizing potential hazards. Today, we want to provide an overview of spill safety procedures staff can follow for efficiently managing and addressing such incidents. The first thing that we want to cover is notification. The first step when a spill occurs is to notify the appropriate personnel, including staff, maintenance, and management. It is essential to ensure that everyone who needs to be informed is made aware of the spill. Doing so will enable swift action and coordination in dealing with the situation. Number 2, assessing the spill. Once notified, it's important to identify the source of the spill. Identification can involve inspecting the affected area to determine the cause and the extent. Understanding the nature of the spill is crucial for implementing the appropriate cleanup procedures. Number 3, safety precautions. If the spill involves hazardous materials or possesses any immediate danger, the next step is to clear or evacuate the area. Protecting the safety of individuals should be the top priority. Evacuating the area affected can prevent potential injuries or exposure to harmful substances. Number 4, containing the spill. If it's possible to stop the spill at its source, staff should take immediate action to control it. This action may involve shutting off valves, closing containers, or other appropriate means to further prevent leakage. By stopping the spill, you can minimize its impact and potential damage. Number 5, cleanup and spill kit products. The focus shifts to cleanup once a spill is contained. It's very important to use the proper spill kit products for effective cleaning. These spill kits typically include absorbent materials, containment booms, gloves, and disposal bags. Following the manufacturer's instructions and using the designated spill kit products can help ensure safe and efficient cleanup. Number 6, location-specific procedures. While the general steps mentioned above provide a solid foundation for spill response, it is important to note that specific procedures may vary depending on the location and the nature of the spill. Different industries and facilities may have their own protocols and guidelines in place. Please familiarize yourself with location-specific procedures and follow them accordingly. Now, these steps don't encompass everything you may need to do in case of a spill, but if followed, you'll be well on your way to keeping safe should you encounter spills at your facility. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next week, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.